Mark. I tell you, it's a good look. At this pace, we'll probably even beat the schedule as for February where I say it might be a good Christmas present.
But you know, that me as my boss, that man move fast, you know.
I love that, man.
Oh, man.
But then again, them food there when I eat, man, especially that soup there. No wonder man them work like them pluggy.
But the chef like to put her nice soup
Me I
in
tell you, kung soup there, but
yes, I.
yeah, man. Oh, by the way, you know, some years I must reset them round at the center. I do them with the class thing with the youth them.
Yeah, man, because little youth them come out with it. Yeah. See me, but I don't think all them come out today. I don't know today Sunday. Yeah.
So tell me something. The Yankee youth, how am I going so far?
I'm going to my boss because you know the one thing left on the side. You're not about to start with nobody. You see.
That is a good look. But you know we still have him on that close observation though. You hear that?
Class small to the one.
Some of the parents did say that some of the kids then have other commitments. Or what? You afraid they might lose interest?
Well, kinda.
No man, they not lose their interest. They love the class, you know, and them look like them like you.
We like them too, especially too.
Yeah, them can go on with themselves, you see.
You know, so them are athletes too.
What you say?
Yeah, man, they run for them school.
What you know? No, this is interesting. You know, Sado that look like we have an next set of Clayton twins power hand.
Maybe. But I don't know. Some of us look strange. Something like it's wrong with animals.
Yeah, I notice her energy is low. You talk to her since you come?
Yeah, I asked her if she alright and she said yeah. But I don't believe her.
Well, you two are not friend. You can coax her and talk to her and find out what is going on with her.
Alright, I'll talk to her one away when we go around at the bar.